Hello everyone, welcome to German 101 with Shweta. In today's video, we are going to learn the German alphabets. Fortunately, the German alphabets are quite similar to English, just that they are pronounced slightly different and it also has some additional alphabets. Today, we are going to learn the first batch of alphabets and then I'll cover the additional alphabets in another video. I want to highlight that German is called as Deutsch in Germany, Deutsch, and Germany is called as Deutschland. Okay, Deutsch und Deutschland. Now let's just begin. Das deutsche Alphabet, the German alphabet. Before we learn all the alphabets, I just want to give you all a quick overview. A. A of English is pronounced as A in German. What I am writing in the bracket is just the pronunciation. A. A wie Apfel means A for apple. B. B of English is pronounced as B in German. Again, what is here in the bracket is just the pronunciation. B. B wie Ball means B for ball. Similarly, C. C of English is pronounced as C in German. Now, let's learn all the alphabets and please repeat each alphabet after me. A, B, B, C, C, very good, D, D, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, very good, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, keep it up, Q, Q, R, R, it sounds like air, S, S, T, T, wonderful, U, U, V, 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 X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Good job. Now let's revise all of them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. Guys, I want to highlight two alphabets here, J und V, means J and V of English, J und V. J is actually pronounced as Y, like year. For an example, ya. Ya means yes. It is not ja, it is ya. Similarly, Januar. Januar means January. It is not Januar, it is Januar. And fau, which is V of English, is pronounced like f, like F. For an example, the number 4, fear. Fear. It is not wear, it is fear. And we all know this famous company, Volkswagen. Volkswagen. It is not Volkswagen, it is Volkswagen. Okay? Now it's time for some practice. Die Übung. Wie buchstabiert man das? How do you spell this? Buchstabieren is a verb and it means to spell. How to make a question or build a sentence, we will learn that later. Right now you just understand the meaning of this question. Wie buchstabiert man das? How do you spell this? Let's take 2-3 words of our choice and spell them. Our first favorite word is German. How would I spell that? G-A-R-M-A-N. German. Let's take my name for an example, Shweta. S-H-W-E-T-A. Shweta. Now it's time for some homework. Die Hausaufgabe means the homework. The task for you all is to spell any 5 names or words of your choice, be it your family or friends' names or any object name. And if you have any doubts, then you are most welcome to leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I am leaving the link of my Instagram profile in the description box below. Till then, tschüss. Tschüss means bye.